Hello, this is Daniel Wong, back for Sparkfun Lab number 2. So here we see my Arduino board, and currently with the lights off, nothing is going off. No buzzer, no LED. But when the light is activated, an intruder has been detected and the alarm has gone off. As you can see, a custom song is used and the LEDs are flashing. So if the button is pressed, you can see that the alarm goes off, and it waits for 5 seconds before it resets. And as you can see, when the button is pushed and the light is turned off, the alarm doesn't go off. And that's it.